Hello, dear friends. Today I will show you how I grew my Instagram in just 1 month and reached my first 50K followers using these 3 apps. If you want to know how it works and how to grow your account, let's begin. First, create a new Instagram account, use a fresh email, then set up your profile step by step. After that, use the software that fits your niche. I use Canva because my niche is graphic design. You can choose your own tools, like CapCut, Photoshop, or a light motion, whatever matches your content style. Next, I use ChatGPT for my content, to write descriptions, bios, and captions, also for viral hashtags and hooks, and for new content ideas. I simply describe my niche, then I ask for a professional bio for my Instagram account. And then it writes a bio based on my niche. Then I describe my reel to it. I explain what type of reel I'm making, and it gives me captions, descriptions, and viral hashtags as well. This is how ChatGPT helps you grow your account, in a real and practical way. If your editing is not good, first learn how to edit properly, and focus on making high-quality content. But in the beginning, you can use TikTok to grow faster. Let me show you how. If you are in India, focus on short-form platforms available in your region. Search content based on your niche on TikTok or similar apps. Save inspiration from videos that match your style, then recreate it in your own way using your own editing tools. Always give credit when you take inspiration from someone's idea. Don't just repost, add your own value to it. So this is the full method I used to grow my Instagram. I started with a fresh account and set it up properly. Then I used Canva and other tools based on my niche to create content. I used ChatGPT for ideas, captions, bios, hooks, and hashtags. I studied viral content and recreated it in my own style instead of copying directly, and I focused on editing better and posting consistently every day. This is the simple system that helped me reach my first 50K followers in 1 month. Now it's your turn to start and stay consistent. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.